Hello, this is me again, Teacher Nico, and this is the activity video of secondary and tertiary colors. Later, we will make a color wheel. So, prepare your coloring materials to make a colorful artwork like this. You can use crayons, pastel, watercolor, or paint. Just pick the yellow, blue, and red, the three primary colors. For the ones using pastels, crayons, and color pencil, you don't need to do this. This is only for watercolor and paint. So, first thing to do, mix two primary colors to make a secondary color, like yellow and red. Yellow and red, as you know, it will make what color? Yes, that's it. Orange. Yellow plus red makes orange. What about yellow and blue? What will it make? Very good! Yellow plus blue makes green. What about red and blue? Very good! Red plus blue makes purple. Now, we already have primary and secondary colors. We will now make tertiary colors. As we know, tertiary colors are the combination of the three primary colors and the three secondary colors. If you mix yellow-orange, it will make yellow-orange. If you mix orange and red, it will make red-orange. If you mix red and purple, it will make red-purple. If you mix purple and blue, it will make blue-purple. If you mix green and blue, it will make blue-green. If you mix yellow and green, it will make yellow-green. So, let's mix them. After mixing, let's start painting. Let's start with the primary colors, the secondary colors, and the tertiary colors. And that's it. Finish!